Look at that goofy woodpecker drinking out of my hummingbird feeder. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a like the woody woodpecker. It's a red-headed woodpecker, and they always drink out of my hummingbird feeders. They're goofy. Look at that. Well, someone's gonna drink. The hummingbirds ain't here yet, or at least I haven't seen them. He or she, I don't know what it is, but it's pretty, ain't it? I love the red head. That's where they get the name from, obviously. That bird sees me, and it just don't care. It says, I'm going to drink out of this. I don't care who you are. Now, if I got close enough, it would take off. But look at that. That's goofy. Oh, he went off. There you go, guys. That's y'all are my witness.